Lesson 108, using fundamental trigonometric identities. Trigonometric fundamental. Actually, I just say trig. Identities. Okay. When you have the unit circle, let's just think about this unit circle here. That's not a very good drawing. In a unit circle, the radius is equal to 1. Okay. If you were to take this point, drop it down, this value is y, this value is x, it's a right triangle. So we can say that x squared plus y squared equals 1. And that's just the equation of the unit circle. If you remember, each point is the x value is the cosine, the y value is the sine. So if we take cosine squared of theta plus sine squared of theta, we'll get 1. And that is your first fundamental identity. If we divide all of those terms by cos squared theta, we will get cos squared theta divided by cos squared theta is 1, plus sine divided by cos is just the tangent, so this is tangent squared theta, and 1 divided by the cosine is called the secant, and so this is just the secant squared theta, and that's the second fundamental identity that we can use. Justin?
How can you have a square root of something like cosine squared, but not like the cosine squared? Did you do the cosine of theta and then square that, or do you? Okay.
And then if we take our equation of our circle, cos squared theta plus sine squared theta equals 1, and divide everything by sine squared. We have cos squared divided by sine squared, which is just the reciprocal of tangent, and we call that the cotangent. So this one is just called the cotangent squared of theta. And then sine squared divided by sine squared is 1. And 1 divided by sine squared is the cosecant squared, and there's your third fundamental identity. So we can use any three of these identities to find answers to trig type problems, which we will do in our lesson practice. So end of lesson.